Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So as by the title, you guys must be knowing what today's video is about, and of course it's Colourpop's ultra glossy lip collection swatches. So I will be swatching all 5 from that collection. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is from the front and this is from the back. And at the back there's nothing. So here is all the 5 of the lip gloss. Let's begin with the swatches.
Inside the book that I wrote, all of the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and join me on all social media sites. All the sites links will be below in the description box. And yes, that was it. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.